guys, so I have not filmed in what feels like forever. I've actually been vlogging, but my life has kind of been a whirlwind lately and I've not had a chance to sit down, put together the film, and put together a video for you. So that's what I'm doing right now. I have all these clips. I don't have an intro. I don't have an outro. So I figured I would just combine everything that I've been up to this past 3 weeks. Let's start with Gasparilla because I went to Tampa for Gasparilla. This was my 4th year going and we went to Sunset Salsa. Rachel, Brittany, and I all drove up for the weekend. Had an amazing time. Like, it was definitely by far the best Gasparilla we've ever had. We lasted from 10 in the morning till like 12 o'clock in the morning. Yes, that was a full 14-hour day. Okay. We got compliments on how we still looked put together after 14 hours of drinking. It was crazy. I guess that's because we have mastered the skill of Gasparilla. So let me take you to Tampa 3 weeks back right now.
Downtown we let it go. Sunset high and our bodies low. Blood rush in a hazy glow. My hands, your bones. Loose up, we break the scene. One step deep as you fall to me. Hot clap, we skip a beat. Count 1, 2, 3. And don't you stop the music, get into it. Won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment. Let your body be.
I've also been working a ton. If you follow me on Instagram, which you really should, my @ is T4YLORLAYNE. You can see that I'm constantly doing things. I am a jack of many trades, as I like to say. People ask me what I do for a living. If you've watched previous vlogs, I don't necessarily have one specific point of employment. I do have a daytime job that I go to for about 3 hours a day. I do social media and marketing for a restaurant, but I also do events, I do modeling. I've been doing some acting lately. I've been dabbling in a little bit of acting, which you will now see here. I went on my first helicopter ride. We did a real estate commercial. A friend of mine took me on a helicopter and we filmed this beautiful mansion. I was a mother of 2 kids and a wife, so that is the furthest thing from my reality, but it was a fun thing to play it for. So I did that, and I also did a commercial for Savoy, which is a style of cooking. They deliver food to your house. So let's see what work was about right here.
Downtown we let it go. Sunset high and our bodies low. Blood rush in a hazy glow. My hands, your bones. Loose up, we break the scene. One step deep as you fall to me. Hot clap, we skip a beat. Count 1, 2, 3. Don't you stop the music, get into it. Won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment. Let your body be. Your name I'll never know as we get down in the road below. Caught up in an overflow. My hands, your bones. Wide-eyed, you look at me. Set on fire and still a dream. Spin around, you can feel the breeze. Count 1, 2, 3. And don't you stop the music, get into it. Won't you dance with me? Find the place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment. Let your body be.
Another thing that's been happening is yesterday was my birthday. Shout out to my boy Ragu. He brought me some flowers, which is just so sweet of him. He is just truly miraculous and one of a kind. So ladies, he's single and ready to treat someone amazingly. So if you are single looking for a good man, I got you one, so let me know. But we spent my 24th birthday at Rocco's Tacos. The whole crew came out. We had the back room. We showed up. We turned up. We ate. We drank, the usual. We had a really good time. And then we came home, sat on the boys' couch, and watched the Olympics and just talked crap the entire time. Like, we were just laughing at the commentary we would say about the Olympics. But I tell you, those people have talent, but it was just, it was an enjoyable birthday. So now it's Valentine's Day. Brittany and I are going to watch 50 Shades Free. So I'm gonna change in some comfortable clothes after this. I just got home from work and we are gonna enjoy our movie. But I just wanted to recap some things. There's been a lot going on. I do have 2 big announcements as well. If you guys have been following me again on my social media, you guys know that my grandma's been sick. She was diagnosed with stage 3 pancreatic cancer couple weeks ago. Tomorrow she is undergoing a procedure called a nano knife. So everyone, please, if you would just keep her in your thoughts and prayers. My grandma is a very independent, and although she is older, she is a very, very mobile lady. Like she is with it at her age, and she still has a lot of life left in her. So I have a feeling she could beat this, she could get through this, and this procedure is the first step to doing that. So please keep her in your thoughts. Another huge life thing that is going on that you guys are all gonna feel to your core as well is Brittany is moving. She has broken up with me and is leaving. So Brittany got a job offer in Tampa and is moving back to her roots. So her room will be empty until our lease is over. Carly and I will be finding a 2-bedroom, and the trio will now become a 2-0. Although Brittany, you know, obviously is my soul sister, so she is not going very far, and I'm gonna be going to Tampa all the time. So be excited for Tampa vlogs because they're coming your way. I'm gonna be in Tampa a lot. So Brittany is she's leaving us, guys. She is leaving the vlog, but we'll be making guest appearances. So I know you guys are all gonna feel this on your own personal level. I know Justin is gonna feel it because Justin always comments. Brittany's laughing in the background, but Justin, I never have shout you out, but you always comment on my videos, and I really appreciate your support. It's amazing that you guys watch me and comment and enjoy hearing me talk and seeing my life. So I really appreciate all your support. You guys are awesome. And now, as my 24th birthday that I'm celebrating, I've now been on YouTube for 10 years. You guys have seen me from 14 to 24 now, and you will probably see me till I'm 94. So if you guys want some anti-aging wrinkle treatment at 94, I got you. I will be there to tell you the secrets. But I think you guys have heard enough of me rambling. I think that's sufficient enough for today's vlog, and I will continue vlogging. Life's just kind of been all over the place right now, and I had some personal things I needed to deal with, and sometimes filming is just not the way to get through that. So until my next video, I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you sometime soon. Bye. Mwah.